Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is July 31st, 2023, and this is a review of a watch list that I had put out there for upcoming earnings. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendations here. I'm also dealing with options here, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I think I'm going to put the characteristics of options and stuff down in the details. If anybody want a little bit more information, a little bit more information on, how I looked at these things and go over the chart, I would do that later. Just put a Y out there, say a yes and all, and I'll do that. If not, I just want to show you that we got 6 out of 7 of them are actually profitable. And I was going to go ahead and close them today because usually I would close them before earnings, but based on what they're virtual trades. They're in a paper account. So I just let them sit out there. I had said I was going to wait until the end of the month, and today is the last day of the month. So I'm making the video now and actually closing them now. The original video that I put out there was a watch list of small stocks for the month of July. And now here are those tickers, those instruments, as they want to call them here, that I was trading. The ARCC, ARI, BDN, EQNR, NLY, OPI, SLG, the 7 that I was trading. On each of them, as you can see, most of them I bought calls. I bought calls here. I bought one call. Again, since this is a virtual account, this is for educational purposes only. This is just to show what can be done. No need to buy a whole lot of contracts and showing a whole lot of money being made on these things. It's just showing that the strategy and the ideal of this watch list played out pretty good. Okay, now let's take one call. Here I brought shares of the stock itself because sometimes the way I look at things, if the stock is below $5, it's kind of questionable if I'm gonna buy the stock or if I'm actually playing an option on it. Because usually stocks that are that cheap, and these are all cheap stocks, they usually don't move that much. So what I was expecting around earnings, I get that in that volatility bump, and I might get a stock movement bump. So that's why I bought the calls. On most of them, I'm always bullish. Although I think you will see one that you see a put down here, but I sold a put on this one, and this one did the best, as you can see, open P&L here. So that's all I really want to share. I did go OPI, SLG. This one that I actually sold the put took the most capital. Well, yeah, you can look at the capital. These say 0. This one says this is where I bought the stock. It was $25. This one $325 because I sold. I had to be willing to buy the stock at the strike that I actually sold it at. So that's why this one seems a lot more than the other ones. The other ones, they were all fairly cheap. As you can see, the trade price was 50 cents, a dollar. This one was $4 and something, $1.60, 88 cents, 75 cents. And like I said, if you want me to get on the details of the charts, I'll do that later. I just want to try to keep this short to just show you we here at Right Side Trader, we do have strategy, we do have chart sets up that will work most of the time. Nothing is guaranteed, but we do have some good strategies here and some good ways of actually looking at charts and trading. So as you can see, profit $22, $35. Well, I should go in percentage, but just leave it like that. You can see the numbers. You can work it out for yourself. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys had a great month. Talk to you later. Bye.